Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a business banking account in Relay Financial. So let's start with the first step, which is to sign up at relayfee.com. So go to relayfee.com and click Get Started. So this one is free. So you just have to enter your email, create a strong password, and type your legal business name. Now, Relay has no monthly fees. It supports up to 20 checking accounts, and it includes FDIC insurance up to $3 million through partner banks. Next step is enter your business details. So on the tell us about your business, you just have to fill in the legal business name. So this must match your formation documents. So DBA if any, entity type like LLC, C Corp, S Corp, partnership, sole prop, and etc. So EIN, industry, business address, and website. And then after that, you just have to click on continue. Next is verify your identity. So you have to add any beneficial owner with 25% ownership. Now for each person, you just have to enter their legal name, DOB, SSN, and home address. Then upload the front and back of a government issued ID. It can be driver's license or passport. And then after that, just wait for the green uploaded check mark and click verify and continue. Next is create your checking accounts. So Relay lets you open up to 20 checking accounts, so each with its own routing and account number. So a common setup is operating, payroll, taxes, and profit. So the profit first method. So name each account, then click continue to funding. Lastly is your account is live. So you will land on the dashboard with a green your account is live banner and your routing number. Now you can move money between accounts instantly, order physical or the virtual Visa debit cards for your team, and connect QuickBooks or Xero for automatic sync. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!